Okay, am I audible, pasangla? Am I audible? All of you? Am I clear and audible? இப்போ கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கா? So what we were discussing about circulatory system, correct? So what is the circulatory system? It's an incomplete double circulation. It is a closed type circulation. It has both blood vascular system or lymphatic system or. So we were discussing about the 3-chambered heart, which has 2 atria and 1 ventricle. Okay, and we have a structure called sinus venosus. It's present in the right atrium, which is a triangular structure. It is going to receive blood from the vena cava. Then you also have this ventricle opening into conus arteriosus. நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி aorta இருக்கோ அவங்களுக்கு அதே மாதிரி conus arteriosus ன்னு ஒரு structure இருக்கு. Please do let me know if there is any disturbance in the audio and the video. ஏதாச்சும் glitch இருந்துச்சுன்னா சொல்லுங்க. Okay, we were discussing that, and we also started with the hepatic portal system and your renal portal system. So எப்படி நம்மளுக்கு வந்து நம்ம உடம்புல எப்படி hepatic portal system which is going to carry blood from your liver and intestine, அதே மாதிரி frogலயும் ஒரு portal system இருக்கு that is going to help in circulation in liver and intestine. We call it as hepatic portal system. Okay, and we also have in kidneys that we call it as renal portal system. Okay, simple, adhaan ipo nama padichirukom. Okay, special venous connection is there, we call it as renal portal system, and the blood, ipo vandu nama blood oda composition padikka porom. Am I clear pasangla? Okay, nama blood பத்தி பார்க்கலாம். What is blood? Blood is composed of plasma, the liquid portion of blood. பாருங்க, specialized cells இருக்கு, RBC இருக்கு, and you also have your erythrocytes or RBC, and you have leukocytes and platelets, மூணுமே இருக்கு. Okay, ஆனா முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்னன்னா RBCs are nucleated. Our RBCs are enucleated. நம்ம RBCs ல nucleus இல்ல, ஆனா frog ஓட RBCs ல nucleus இருக்கு, and they contain a red colored pigment called hemoglobin. So அங்கேயும் நம்ம வந்து அந்த red color pigment என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், hemoglobin தான் சொல்றோம். Okay, the lymph is different from blood. It lacks few proteins and RBCs. அதுல வந்து RBCs ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கும். What is the function of blood pasangla? The blood carries nutrients, it carries gases and water to the respective sites during circulation. The circulation of blood is achieved by the pumping action of your muscular heart. Okay, so the muscular heart is going to play a very, very important role in the pumping of your blood. Okay, so idhula neenga romba mukkiyama purinjikka vendiyது incomplete double circulation. Okay, then you have to understand about sinus venous, you have to understand by conus arteriosus, adukaprom you need to understand about your renal portal system and your hepatic portal system. இவ்வளவுதான் பசங்களா உங்களோட circulatory system. Okay, now we shall move on about excretory system. So what is, how are they? Are they ureotelic, uricotelic, or are they aminotelic? What kind of organisms are they? What is the kind of or nature of their excretory product? Okay, we will try to understand. The elimination of nitrogenous waste is carried out by a well-developed excretory system. ரொம்ப well-developed ஆன excretory system இருக்கு. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, ureter, cloaca and urinary bladder. நான் already சொன்ன மாதிரி இந்த cloacaன்றது, yes, they are ureotelic. Very, very good. Excellent. Okay, நான் already சொன்ன மாதிரி they have this cloaca, which is an opening for digestive tract, opening for your reproductive tract, and opening for your excretory tract. So okay, மூணுத்துக்குமே ஒரே opening na adha nama cloaca nu solrom. So you can see here, these are your kidneys. Okay, they are bean shaped structures, they are red color, and they are situated a little posteriorly in the body cavity. இப்போ இதான் நம்மளோட vertebral column na, they will be present on the either side of your vertebral column. Okay, each kidneys has nephrons. நமக்கு எப்படி nephrons இருக்கோ அதே மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு nephrons இருக்கு. They contain uriniferous tubules னு சொல்றோம். இந்த nephrons ஓட இன்னொரு பேர் என்ன பசங்களா? Uriniferous tubules. The two ureters, can you see here? The two ureters emerge out of the kidney. So what is this ureter going to do? They are going to carry the urine. Okay, yes. The ureters act as an urinogenital duct and it opens through the cloaca. ரொம்ப முக்கியம். In females, the uterus and the oviduct open separately into the cloaca. Okay, இது வந்து உங்களோட cloaca-னா. Okay, in males, okay, the ureter is a common opening of your reproductive and your genital tract. Okay, ஆனா என்னோட females-ல if this is the cloaca, I'll have one duct, the oviduct opens separately, and I have the ureter that opens separately. Okay, yes, correct. That is what is happening here. Excretory waste are carried by your blood, they are filtered to your nephrons. Okay, adhe moonu step da. Okay, filtration, reabsorption and secretion, the same things happens here. Okay, we'll discuss what is the seminal vesicle and all when I do male reproductive system. Okay, yeah. Now, control and coordination. இது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம் பசங்களா. நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி ஒரு எண்டோக்ரைன் சிஸ்டம் இருக்கோ அவங்களுக்கும் அதே மாதிரி ஒரு எண்டோக்ரைன் சிஸ்டம் இருக்கு. நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி ஒரு நியூரல் சிஸ்டம் இருக்கோ they also have neural system. So try to understand the evolution that could have happened. Okay, so they have both neural system and endocrine glands. The chemical coordination is achieved via your endocrine glands. So என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு பசங்களா? What all glands do they have? They have pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, pineal body, pancreatic islets, adrenals and gonads. Okay, இது எல்லாமே இருக்கு. So here you have your pituitary and pineal gland, it is present in your brain. Okay, parathyroid and thyroid unga thorax region la irukum. Okay, then I have my pancreatic islets. Pancreatic islets na enna? They also have insulin and glucagon. Okay, and adrenal glands are there which are going to, yes, adrenals and gonads, they are all going to act as endocrine gland. Every line is very important. 4 gland கொடுத்துட்டு which of the gland is not present in frog and கேக்கலாம். Okay, they can ask you this question. So they have a very beautiful endocrine system that's working. So you have to understand ஏன் இந்த chapter வந்து அவ்வளவு முக்கியமா கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா because this frog and human beings are so much similar. நீங்களே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க ஒன்னொன்லி எவ்வளோ சிமிலாரிட்டி இருக்குன்னு. ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் ட்ரைங் டு கனெக்ட் யூ கைஸ். ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ்க்கும் இந்த ஃப்ராகுக்கும் இருக்க சிமிலாரிட்டி வச்சு உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃப்ராகை புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்கன்னு தான் நான் சொல்கிறேன். ஓகே, நவ் லெட்ஸ் டாக் அபவுட் நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டம். நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டம்ல என்ன இருக்கு? CNS இருக்கு, சென்ட்ரல் நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டம். சென்ட்ரல் நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டம் இஸ் கம்போஸ்ட் ஆஃப் வாட் பசங்களா? பிரெயின் அண்ட் ஸ்பைனல் கார்ட். ஓகே, அந்த பெரிஃபெரல் நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டம் இருக்கு, PNS. நம்மளுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும்? சேம் அதே தான். PNS, it has cranial and spinal nerves. Then they have autonomic nervous system, CNS, PNS, ANS. மூணுமே இருக்கு. Okay, CNS na enna? Central nervous system. Central nervous system la enna irukku? Brain and spinal cord. PNS na enna? Peripheral nervous system. Adla enna irukku? You have your cranial nerve and spinal nerves. Okay, and finally you have your autonomic nervous system. You have your sympathetic nerve and parasympathetic nerve. There are, this line is very important. There are 10 pairs of cranial nerves. எத்தனை pair of cranial nerve இருக்கு? 10. நம்ம human beings ல எத்தனை cranial nerves இருக்கு? Can anyone tell? எத்தனை cranial nerves இருக்கு human being ல? And they arise from the brain. Okay, and you can see the brain is enclosed in a bony structure. நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி cranium இருக்கோ அதே மாதிரி frogக்கும் cranium இருக்கு பசங்களா. Okay, and the brain is divided into, yes, very good, 12, excellent, 12 pairs of cranial nerve and 31 pairs of spinal nerves in human beings. Okay, yes, I was talking to you about the brain division. The brain is divided into forebrain, the midbrain and hindbrain. So நம்மள மாதிரி circular-ஆ இல்ல brain, இவங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் elongated-ஆ இருக்கு இவங்களோட brain. Okay, so what does the forebrain include? Every line is important பசங்களா. It includes olfactory lobes, paired cerebral hemisphere and unpaired diencephalon. Okay, so can anyone tell me what could be the function of olfactory lobes? Olfactory lobes oda function enna? They help in the sense of smell. Okay, and they are made up of 2 cerebral hemispheres which are paired. Okay, and then you have unpaired diencephalon. Diencephalon will be towards the other side. Okay, the midbrain consists of optic lobe. Optic lobe edhukku help panna pasanga? Vision. And again, this picture is not there in your NCERT. This is just for your reference. Okay, yes, smell. Very good, very good. Okay, அந்த hind brain நமக்கு எப்படி hind brainல medulla oblongataவும் cerebellumம் இருக்கு அவங்களுக்கும் அதே மாதிரி இருக்கு they have a cerebellum and they have a medulla oblongata okay so the medulla oblongata passes through your foramen magnum and it continues as spinal cord so medulla oblongata is continuing as spinal cord okay புரிஞ்சதா பசங்களா same ditto okay only with few changes so they can ask you where is olfactory lobe present it is present in your cerebrum okay and where is your optic lobe present it is present in your midbrain and the mari questions kekalam okay can we continue did everyone understand the control and coordination here any doubts here anybody please do like this live yeah sense organs they have 4 important sense organs okay what are the sense organs they have the organs of touch ஓகே நமக்கு எப்படி ஸ்கின் இருக்கோ உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஆர்கன்ஸ் ஆஃப் டச் இருக்கு யாராச்சும் தொட்டா உங்களுக்கு வந்து அது தெரியும் ஓகே அண்ட் தட் இஸ் வாட் வி கால் இட் as sensory papillae unpaired diencephalon the diencephalon is unpaired actually ஒரே ஒரு ரெண்டு diencephalon இருக்கு நான் ரெண்டு இல்ல ஒன்னு தான் ஓகே the diencephalon is not shown in this picture they are not paired together okay clear Jyoti they are not paired அதே உங்களோட cerebral hemispheres are paired you can see here okay a clear picture kedachadna post pandra to show diencephalon so this is your dorsal view ventral view nu one irukum and the ventral view la diencephalon irukum yeah okay yes they have taste buds they have nasal epithelium that is going to help in smell okay and they have eyes for vision and they have tympanum with internal ear tympanum matrom kedaiyadu adukulla or internal ears irukku out of these the eyes and internal ears are very well organized structure and the rest are cellular aggregation around nerve endings so edu romba nalla develop aayirukku ungaloda eyes ungaloda ears so ears la enna irukku tympanum and it also has a kind of enna solradhu inner ear eyes in frog are a pair of spherical structures situated in the orbits of the skull same nammala irukka mari they are simple eyes they are not compound eye insects la vandu compound eye nammalla they are simple eyes okay external ear is absent romba clear ah purinjukonga external ear kedaiyadu they are absent in frog and only tympanum can be seen externally and ear is an ear of organ of hearing and it is also an organ of equilibrium na enna pasangala what do you guys understand about equilibrium it is a statoacoustic organ okay stato na enna it is going to help in maintaining your body balance acoustic na enna it is going to help in hearing so that's why we call ears as a statoacoustic organ ஒரு சின்ன frog அதுக்குள்ள எவ்ளோ sense organ இருக்குன்னு யோசிச்சு பாருங்க it has so many beautiful sense organs yes good evening Sanjay good evening so என்னென்ன sense organ இருக்கு touch க்கு this can be a match the following question பசங்களா okay match type question கேட்கலாம் இதுல இருந்து okay touch you have sensory papillae taste you have taste bud for smell you have your nasal epithelium for vision you have your eyes and you have tympanum with internal ears acoustic sound waves yes okay is this clear can we continue now we have only two things that is your male reproductive system and your female reproductive system okay now let's talk about male reproductive system romba mukkiyam okay frogs have well organized male and female reproductive system male reproductive system la enna irukku pasangala they consist of a pair of yellowish ovoid na enna oval shape la irukum okay it is nothing to do with ovary okay it will be in the shape of oval okay which are found adhered to the upper parts of the kidney இது வந்து உங்க kidney na அதுக்கு மேல ஒரு yellow color ovoid structure இருக்கும் that is called as testis and how it is attached it is attached by a double fold of peritoneum called mesorchium okay இங்க ஒரு attachment இருக்குல இங்க இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு attachment இருக்கும் அந்த attachment between the kidney and the testis is called as mesorchium okay from the testis என்னோட testis ல இருந்து சில thread like structures வந்து arise ஆகும் that is vasa efferentia 10 to 12 vasa efferentia arise from the testis okay is it clear pasangla did everyone understand this Okay, now what is actually happening is they enter the kidney on their side and opens into Bidder's canal. Okay, in the testis inga irukku, enoda kidney inga irukku. Okay, so this testis opens into my kidney, they are telling, and the canal like structure is called Bidder's canal. Okay, Bidder's canal irukku. Unga kidney mela adrenal gland irukku, adhu ஞாபகம் வெச்சுக்கோங்க. So kidney la நிறைய organs வந்து ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல ஒன்னு இருக்கு. So kidney la adrenal gland இருக்கு, top of the kidney la I have testis. Okay, finally it is communicating with the urinogenital tract that comes out of the kidney and opens into cloaca. You can see here, inga theriyudha, and you have the cloacal aperture. Cloaca opens as a cloacal aperture. Romba simple. Ma'am, in circulatory system I have doubt, does conus arteriosus receive both oxygenate? No, you can see this picture. I will show you the picture. நீங்க சொல்லுங்க இப்போ conus arteriosus என்ன மாதிரி blood receive பண்ணுது? Jyoti, can you tell me now? It is oxygenated blood. Okay, clear Jyoti? Okay, இதுதான் நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம். ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம், the ureter and the urinogenital tract are opening together into the cloaca. Okay, இதுல முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்னன்னா Bidder's canal. Okay, the kidneys on their they enter the kidneys on their sides through their Bidder's canal. Okay, yes, oxygenated, absolutely. Okay, can we continue? Is male reproductive system clear for everyone? So the process is same da, spermatogenesis nadakum, okay, and the you have your sperms traveling, everything else is same. Okay, now we shall continue into female reproductive system. Okay, female reproductive system la enna irukku, they include a pair of ovaries. Anga vandu pair of testis, inga vandu pair of ovaries. Okay, the ovaries are situated near the kidneys. There is no functional association. In the previous picture la pathina, your testis is attached to your kidneys, whereas your ovaries is placed near your kidneys. Romba clear ah purinjikonga. Okay, your kidneys, okay, are just placed near your ovaries. That's what they are telling. No functional association with kidneys. Okay, a pair of oviduct, inga parunga, or ovaries and the oviduct arise agudhu. Okay, the oviduct arises and opens into the cloaca separately. So see, you can see here the kidney is entering as a ureter. Okay, and you can see the oviduct is entering into a cloaca separately. There are two separate channels. Anganga appadi kedaiyadhu. Testis and kidney opens through one duct. We call it as urinogenital duct. Okay, inga appadi kedaiyadhu. The oviduct opens into the cloaca separately, and you also have your ureter opening into the cloaca separately. Okay, romba mukkiyam pasangala. A mature female can lay 2500 to 3000 egg at a time. Yen ivanga ivlo eggs produce pandranga? Can you guys think why do they produce so much eggs? Fertilization is external, romba mukkiyam. So external fertilization and fertilization happens outside the body of the female. Adha nama external fertilization nu solrom, and fertilization takes place in water. Water is a very important medium for fertilization. Romba mukkiyam. Development involves a larval stage called tadpole. Correct? So ipo development involves larval stage. Yes, they may get, inga parunga, the eggs e romba kuttiya irukum. Correct? Many eggs will be carried by water current. Okay, many eggs will be eaten up by the fishes, right? So there will be very less survival. Neenga padichirupinga Darwin's production of large number of offsprings, right? So for the survival of the fittest, there is a lot of eggs that is being produced. Yes, external fertilization nadakum. Oru question kekren, development involves larval stage. Is the development direct or indirect? இங்க வந்து larval stage இருக்கு, அதனால development வந்து directா இருக்குமா indirectா இருக்குமா? ரொம்ப சிம்பிளான question. Okay, we have discussed this a lot in animal kingdom. Larval stage இருந்தா அது எப்படிப்பட்ட development? It is indirect development. ரொம்ப முக்கியம். Okay, indirect development, and the larva is called tadpole. Okay, இன்னொரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான விஷயம்னா, இந்த tadpole பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? இந்த tadpoleக்கும் இந்த frogக்கும் சம்பந்தமே இருக்காது. Okay, tadpole looks like a fish. Frog is completely different from that of a tadpole. Okay, they are two different, extremely distinct larval stage in the adult form. Okay, and the process of என்ன சொல்றது evolution ன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, changes that a larva undergoes. Yes, and that, yes, very good, the larval stage has a tail, the tadpole has a tail, it looks more like a fish, but my frog is totally different. Okay, the changes that a larva undergoes in order to become an adult is called metamorphosis. ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம். Okay, so எப்படிப்பட்ட fertilization? External fertilization. எப்படிப்பட்ட development? Indirect development. And what is that process called? Metamorphosis. Yes, ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம். Okay, so and this process of laying eggs வந்து என்னன்னு சொல்றோம்? Spawning ன்னு சொல்றோம். And they always lay eggs in water because water is an important medium that is needed for fertilization. Okay, soil la idu velake agadu, they need water for fertilization. Okay, purinjudha pasangala? Did everyone understand the female reproductive system? Any doubts in female reproductive system? You guys can let me know. Can we continue? இன்னும் இருக்கிறது கொஞ்சோண்டு பார்ட்ஸ் தான். ஓகே, economical and ecological importance of frog. That's all. 1 hourல முடிச்சிடலாம். இது ரொம்ப சின்ன சாப்டர் தான். எப்படி வந்து frogs யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்குப்பா ecologyக்கு, right? Frogs, I already told you, they basically eat insects, they feed upon insects, so they help in maintaining an ecological balance. கரெக்டா? இல்லை இன்செக்ட்ஸ் பாப்புலேஷன் மட்டும் அதிகமாயிட்டே போவோம், and all those insects will actually go and eat up all the plants, so there will be no balance. To maintain an ecological balance, I have this frogs. Okay, and if even in a field, ஒரு field இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, இந்த farmersக்கு இந்த frogs வந்து ரொம்ப beneficial. எப்படி beneficialனா, these frogs eat up all the insects that is going to destroy my crops. Okay, so it's very beneficial for them. இன்னும் நிறைய முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்னன்னா, நிறைய கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல frog வந்து சாப்பிடுறாங்க. Okay, I don't know in which country, maybe Thailand, China, Japan, அங்க வேணா சாப்பிடலாம். Okay, the legs of the frog are used as food by man. Okay, yes, they catch flies, yes, house flies, mosquitoes, yes, China, yes, obviously they eat everything, right? Yeah, so that's about your frog pasangla. அவ்வளவுதான், முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. ஸோ நீங்க டென்ஷனே ஆக வேண்டாம் ஃப்ராகை பத்தி. என்ன மிஞ்சு போனா எப்படி கேட்பாங்க? டைஜஸ்டிவ் சிஸ்டம், சர்க்குலேட்டரி சிஸ்டம் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஓகே, and you also have your reproductive system, the male and the female reproductive system. They have snakes, rats, yes, that is seen. But frogs சாப்பிடுவாங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. இன்னைக்கு காலையில் NCERT படிக்கும் போது தான் தெரிஞ்சது that there are people who eat frogs also. Yes, it's actually interesting to know all this, correct? Yeah. Can we continue pasangla? Continue பண்றதுக்கு ஒண்ணும் இல்லை, எனக்கு முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. But can we have a rapid fire? Can we have some questions that I can discuss? Yes, so shall we start with the first question? Everyone are ready? Let me see how many of you know things. Okay, yeah, very first question. How do I differentiate between a male and a female frog? ஒரு male frogயும் female frogயும் நான் எப்படி differentiate பண்ணுவேன்? Can anyone tell me? At least one of you. They are sexually dimorphic, but how are they dimorphic? Yes, so you are very good. Ma'am, they say frog control hypertension. Oh, okay, interesting. Okay, நான் கேள்விப்பட்டதில்லை, இப்போதான் முத வாட்டி கேட்குறேன். Yes, yeah, மேல் ஃப்ராகுக்கு வந்து ஓக்கல் கார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் நைட்லலாம் கேட்பீங்க தெரியுமா, ஒரு எஸ்பெஷலி நியர் வில்லேஜஸ், ரொம்ப சைலண்ட்டாக இருக்க இடத்துல. இன் சிட்டிஸ் ஐ barely hear any frog noise, but when you go to villages you can hear some frog noise, correct? So that frog noise is made only by the males. Okay, it's a mating call because they have vocal cords. Okay, vocal sac, vocal cord ன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, vocal sac ன்னு சொல்லலாம். And they also have copulatory pad in the first digit. Hi Jeeva Raghavan, hi, how are you? Okay, first question முடிஞ்சது. Second question கேக்கட்டா? What are the two kinds of respiration that is present in frog? Frogல வந்து ரெண்டு விதமான respiration இருக்கு. Can anyone tell me what is that? Can anyone tell me what are the two important types of respiration in frog? பாப்போம் எத்தனை பேர் சொல்றீங்கன்னு. Very good. Simple. Cutaneous and pulmonary. Okay. So cutaneous respiration or respiration through skin. Pulmonary respiration or respiration through lungs. Okay. Rombo important ana vishyo. So shall we go to the next question? Yes. Next question. Yeah. I will give you 4 glands. Okay. Tell me which of the glands is not present in your frog. Okay, 4 endocrine glands சொல்றேன். இந்த 4 endocrine glandsல எந்த gland இல்லன்னு கொஞ்சம் சொல்றீங்களா? Adrenal glands. Okay, you have your pancreatic islets, hypothalamus, pituitary. இந்த 4 glandல எந்த ஒரு gland உங்களோட frogல கிடையாது? கிடையாது. Can anyone tell me? There are 4 glands. I will repeat my question. I have my adrenal gland, hypothalamus, pituitary and islets of Langerhans. Which gland is absent in frogs? Very good. Excellent. So, avlo clear ah kettirkinga enoda session. Thank you. So, there is one gland that is absent in frog, that is hypothalamus. Okay. They also have thymus gland. Thymus gland kuda irukku. Okay. But they don't have hypothalamus. Okay. Fine. Can you name the sense organ which is responsible for touch? Yes, very good, Kirtika. Very good, very good. Can anyone tell me what is a sense organ that is responsible for touch? Anyone? At least one of you? We'll go back. Paathu kuda solunga paravalla. Yes. Sensory papillae. Yes, very good. Sensory papillae are responsible for touch. Okay. I hope all these are clear. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாச்சும் doubt இருந்தா please do let me know in the chat section. Okay, how was the session guys? Did you guys understand something? Okay, இப்போ நீங்க போய் ஒரு வாட்டி NCERT பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே ஞாபகம் வந்துரும். நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்தது எல்லாமே ஞாபகம் வந்துரும். And if you guys want this notes, please do download it. Okay, you can go get yourself registered in the link that is given in the description and please do register illa get your notes downloaded. Okay? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So, நாளைக்கு cockroach பண்ணலாம். I will let you know the time. Cockroach we will do tomorrow and we'll finish this structural organization in animals. Okay. Do like this live, share this live and do share your comment in the comment section. And if there is any feedback, please do let me know. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Jyoti. Please do put a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye. Bye guys. Have a good weekend. We will meet tomorrow. Monday வந்து பொங்கல். So எல்லாரும் பொங்கல் enjoy பண்ணுங்க. நாளைக்கு நான் கண்டிப்பா session எடுப்பேன். I will take cockroach tomorrow. Thank you.